Hello, welcome back to Randy Tutorials. Today we are going to learn gradient text effect in Photoshop, or how to apply gradient in Photoshop. Simple text, how to apply gradient to simple text in Photoshop. First of all, let's go straight to Photoshop, or let us create a new document. We are going to change the background to black, the color of the background to black. You press Ctrl Alt plus Delete on the keyboard to change the background. Then use your type to change the color to white. Expand or transform the text and make it bigger. Now we are going to type gradient. This is our gradient. We can change the size of the text. We can change the size of the text. Any size or any text size we want. Now let's go straight to how to apply the gradient. Let's go to layers. Select the gradient layer. Double click on it. This is gradient in the blending modes or blending tools. This is layers here. Layer overlay. Now you see, this is how we apply gradient. Now we are going to customize our own gradient. This is where you start to customize your own gradient. You select this one. Now it is changed back to gray. You are going to use this point, and the last one to change our colors to our preferred color. I'm going to take blue, and I'll change the white one to any different colors of my choice. You can change the direction of the gradient color to, we have linear here, we have fader here, we have angle here, we have reflect and diamond. Any one you choose will change the direction of the gradient. See, it has been changed. Now we have a default gradient in the Photoshop already. If you are a beginner, you can choose to select the default ones. These are the default ones. So many of them. These are samples of the default ones. If you are happy with my tutorials or my lesson, you can please go to the subscribe button and subscribe and hit the notification button for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this tutorial.